guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video we're going to do a simple, quick and easy dinner recipe. We're going to do some steamed cabbage with kale and some cornmeal dumplings. If you want to continue watching this video, do remember to give it a thumbs up, comment if you like it, subscribe to the channel. Let's get straight into this one, guys. Very easy. We're going to combine our cornmeal and our flour together. And to this, I'm going to gradually add water. Okay guys, now that I've finished kneading, I'm going to rest this for around 5 minutes or 10 minutes. Alright guys, let's start with our onions first. I have also some scallion. We're going to julienne the carrots. I'll also be adding a little piece of chocho. Okay guys, so now I'm going to shred my cabbage. Time to knead our dumplings. Going in with a little salt, guys, not a lot. And to this now we're going to add in our dumplings. See, my water has been boiling for a little while. And as usual, a little mix so the dumplings don't stick on the bottom of the pot. Alright guys, so for this steamed cabbage, I'm going to add in now some butter. A little olive oil. Here, my garlic, onion and scallion, my tomatoes, and being that the chocho is a little bit hard, I'm going to go in with that as well. Now guys, I'm going to go in and add some all-purpose seasoning. Some white pepper. A little bit of salt here. Now my kale and cabbage. To this guys, I'm going to go in and add some thyme. Okay guys, this is it for our steamed cabbage. Looking very nice. This is an easy meal you can make guys and enjoy. And our boiled dumplings. And this is it guys, our final end product to our steamed cabbage with kale and boiled cornmeal dumpling. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. Until next time, bye.